Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Today, guys, I'm gonna talk about the GameStop investing fiasco. Now, I'm not gonna be picking sides here. This video is not about, trying to entice you to invest in GameStop, to sell GameStop stock, or to buy GameStop stock. It's really about my personal opinion of what's happening. And so please do not think about this as an investing advice, because it's not. It's just an opinion. So if you're not aware of what's going on with GameStop, then I'm not sure what you're doing. It's all over the news, right? You have, institutional investors against retail investors. And the shift that's happening in the way the stock market is viewed and looked at. So let me give you my perception of what's going on. You have institutional investors some time ago decided that they were going to start shorting GameStop stock, right? So about 90% of the stock has been shorted. Then you get these retail investors, these guys that are on the Reddit Wall Street Bets forum. These guys started thinking, okay, if all of these institutional investors are shorting this stock, and all that means is they're making a bet that the stock is going to go down in value, right? And if their bet is correct, they're going to make a lot of money. But like I said, these retail investors decided, what we're going to do, we're going to do call options on the stock. Basically, contracts to buy the stock at a certain price. And with that, there's your perfect storm, right? You got retail investors on one end buying contracts, thinking the stock is going to go up in value. You got institutional investors on the other side thinking that the stock is going to go down in value, so they start shorting the stock. And the retail investors are winning. The stock price is going through the roof, and your institutional investors are having to buy at higher prices to cover their short positions, right? Because if they don't cover their short positions, they're going to lose their shirt. So that's my quick novice explanation of what's going on with GameStop. Now, again, I'm no expert at this, guys. There are other guys out there that have made videos about this with more detail, more analytics, etc. I'm just giving you my opinion. So what do I think about that shift in the way people are starting to buy their stocks? Well, historically, most people go to these institutional investors, these hedge funds, and invest their money with those guys. And those guys go out and pick whatever investment they want. And that's how it historically has been done. But what's happening, though, is more retail investors are coming into the game. More people are investing their own money on their own. They call it self-directed. That's why you see all of these apps popping up, these brokerage apps popping up for self-directed retail investors, people who want to make their own investments. People like me. I make my own investments. I don't hire someone to make my investments for me. So I think you see the shift where retail investors, with the power of the internet, are starting to figure out we can also band together and start shifting things in our favor as it relates to the way people invest. you got to understand with these institutional investors, especially with GameStop, they decided, look, this company is dead. We're going to go ahead and short the stock, and then we're going to go on TV and tell people they should sell it because it's a dead company, basically. And what they didn't expect was the retail investors to counter that. And that's what these guys on Wall Street Bets on Reddit started doing. And again, I'm not knocking either side. I'm not picking sides. I'm just telling you, in my opinion, what has happened. And, you know, these institutional guys are hurting. Why? Because who knows? That GameStop stock may go to $1,000 a share. And if that happens, there are going to be a lot of institutional investors, hedge funds that lose a ton of money. That's just the way it is. With the power of the internet now, guys, and people, retail investors having access to, you know, sophisticated software where they can track and do exactly what these big hedge funds and institutional investors are doing. It's leveling the playing field, right? Now, on the other end, there will be some people, individual peoples, hurt. Because remember, these institutional investors and these hedge funds, they're managing people's money. And if they take catastrophic losses, they just pass that along to the people who have given them their money to invest. Pension funds, 401k funds, all types of retirement funds. Even individuals like you and I who gave these people your money to invest for you. There are going to be some casualties, and it's not going to be the hedge funds or the institutional investors. It's going to be the people whose money they're investing. Those are the people who are going to suffer the most. And again, guys, I'm not telling you to go buy GameStop or to sell GameStop. I'm just telling you, in my opinion, what's happening and where I see the shift towards more retail investors taking control of what's happening in the market, right? So drop me some comments and let me know what you guys think about the GameStop situation and how it's going to affect the way people buy and sell stock going forward. If you're interested in 4 free stocks, Webull is offering 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700 when you deposit at least $100 into your Webull brokerage account. Check out the link in the description box of the video if you're interested in getting your 4 free stocks and getting started on your financial journey. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, smash that like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.